pa naiiyak.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alexander. Mas para dito lang ako always whenever you need me, okay? I love you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture na kayo, ma'am. Grabe, imagine ni ma'am na kaya tawa si ma'am. Okay, oo, tumatawa. Thank you so much. Okay, one more smile. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next letter 3. Tita Ande. Okay, Alexander. You know, you were my first baby for Ate, right? And I want to say, I love you always. We're always here for you, your titas, your Mimi and Lola, okay? We love you, especially Ate, Tita A, okay? Thank you so much, ma'am. Siyempre, picture naman po kayo. Ayan, ilong ka mga smile. Okay, next natin, as the last of this, si Ma'am Mimi.
Ako yung sa'yo.
Ay, nako. Your members ako. Ang aming prinsipe. Boy na ngayon. Basta, very good ka lagi kay mama, kay Mimi, kay mama, sa mga titas, okay? Ano wish mo kanina?
I wish Tita is here.
Today is always with us. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture na kayo nga, bro. Okay, smile. Thank you so much. Next na natin yung ating mga Jolly Kids, ma'am. Go si ma'am na excited doon.
Ayan, lahat po ng mga Jolly Kids natin, pa po tayo dito sa harapan para po sa kanilang group picture po.
Sige na, tama ka na. Ayan, sandali.
Maya-maya habol ba?
Wala na. Ako naman natin yung balloons natin para makita yung mukha nyo.
Alright, balloons down, please. Alright, ready, eyes on camera.
Naiyak na sila. Kami sa umiyak. Sabi ko, si Matthew po. Umiyak.
Okay, one more.
Adi, say cheese. Alright, Jolly Kids, Adi.
Ade!
Okay, one more. Tomato to you. One, go. Okay, thank you so much. Siyempre, mama, distribute na po ng inyong bag.